Hey guys, today I'm bringing you a quick tutorial on doing the mom picture frame. So we already have the picture frame here and a lovely image that we're going to be placing onto this mom picture frame. If you can see, I did not do the image enough so that it will actually cover the mom side. And that is because I'm doing a collaboration with the bead bar in Houston in order for us to bead the top part of this. So we're leaving that part uncovered. I made the image large enough where it would be overlap onto the image itself. I always like to do that so that it'll be sure to cover the picture all the way, the substrate all the way. I'm just going to tape this down. You do not have to tape it down, but I like to tape it down just to ensure there's no movement in the transfer process. So we're going to nicely tape it down. We're good to go from that standpoint. I'm going to use butcher paper to put on top of this, and I'm going to show you guys what it will look like over here on the heat press as we go ahead and put it on the heat press as well. We're using a small heat press for this item. You do not require to use a large one, and let's see how it works. We're going to put this on, my heat press is going to say 365, and we're going to do it for about 45 seconds. Once the 45 seconds hit, I'm going to take a look at it, see how well it's kind of released the ink, and if I need to press it a little bit longer, I will, but 45 seconds will probably do the trick. Okay, so I transitioned us to be in front of the heat press. I put the picture frame down, face down, so that the mom side where we're sublimating on is up. Put some butcher paper. We're gonna do pretty firm pressure, and we're going to do it for 45 seconds. So let's go ahead and put it for 45 seconds. Okay, so let's lift it up. I'm going to turn it around. Okay, so I definitely see it coming through. I'm going to go ahead and turn my heat press off, and then I'm going to take it off and reposition the camera for you guys so that you'll be able to see exactly what's going on. Okay, so we're back. I've transitioned it right over here. As you can see, I definitely see that we have some good release of color. So let's take it on off. And look at that, guys. It turned out perfectly. So definitely a great color. The colors are extremely vibrant. If you cannot tell just by looking at it here, it came out wonderfully. As I said before, this here on the back here, we're actually going to put some beading here, so it's okay that it's covering up like this. What you would do in normal is just have something that you would want up here as well that will cover it, whether it's the picture, if you would like the picture to cover it, or just a color, make the image bigger so that it will cover the whole thing. And look at it, guys, it looks great. So very simple and easy. As I said, my heat press was set to 365, but it runs hot, so it's almost at 400 degrees, about 390 degrees. I did this for 45 seconds. I'm using text print paper, text print art paper, but any sublimation paper will be fine, and this is what you come out with. So looks great. Just get that one little look. And I will see you next time on our next live tutorial, or rather a live tutorial next time versus this one was pre-recorded. See you guys next time.